Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different styles on how to wear ponytails and how to clip them in. Let's get started. First one is a classic high ponytail. I'll show you how the clip-in ponytail works. First, start by creating a ponytail with your natural hair. How high on your head you want this to be, it's up to you. Just make sure it's tight. Take your clip-in ponytail and place a grip part into the top base part of your own ponytail. It's so much better if you actually slide it under your elastic band to help it stay secure. Then wrap the ponytail tightly around together. You'll see Velcro that will go together to secure it. Wrap the tail part around to cover everything. Twist the ends and use bobby pins to secure it. You can see how ponytail blends really well with most hair because it completely wraps and almost envelops your natural hair with the extensions. If you want to add 20 inches of length and 160 grams or more to your low ponytail, the Assorted hair clip-in ponytail is a must-have. Like with the high ponytail, you can repeat the same process here. Create a low base ponytail where you want it on your head and make sure it's tight. Insert the grip right into your elastic on the top and wrap lightly so the Velcro meets. Wrap the tail end around to cover everything and twist the ends, secure with pins. Another great way to use the clip-in ponytails is to make a gorgeous bun. Start with a high ponytail with the Assorted hair ponytail already clipped in. Split the ponytail in half, and you're going to twist or you can braid it. It's up to you. Each section then twist the 2 twists or braids around each other. Then just secure the bun with some bobby pins. If you wonder which ponytail I'm using in this video, it's 16-inch lightest golden blonde Assorted hair clip-in ponytail. I hope that you found this video useful. Have a great day!